But there is uncertainty among 2,000 farmers in 3 panchayats of Odisha's Jagat Singhpur district who gave up their land for the setting up of the POSCO steel plant in return for compensation and jobs. That plant yet to take off, but the recent passing of the Mines and Minerals Bill has put the project in further doubt, leading to more worries for the farmers. Tazeen Qureshi reports.
48-year-old Dibakar Behera is a very worried man. The only breadwinner in a family of 5 in the Nolia Sahi village of Odisha's Jagat Singhpur district, his biggest headache is his elder daughter's marriage, for which he has no money. Dibakar and other villagers in the area gave away their land to steel giant POSCO in 2011. Because they are marginal farmers with very small land holdings, the money they got in return was very less and has been exhausted. More importantly, they were assured jobs within the project, meaning a monthly salary, but that never materialized as the project hasn't taken off in all these years.
जो लक्ष टंका कि 50,000 40,000 30,000 पाइथिले किए घर कर देजी किए पुओ झियो बाहर कर देजी किए कोन कर देजी ये बे इच्छा वर्तमान खाइबा पई पाखरे समळ नाही.
POSCO's entry into Odisha has been mired in controversy all the way. The state government had recommended the centre to provide prospecting license for the Kandadar mines to the company for running its steel plant. But recent changes in the Mines and Minerals Bill or the MMDR bill means even the mines may not work out for the already beleaguered POSCO.
And that means more trouble for the project built by the Naveen Patnaik government as a big-ticket investment in Odisha. As per the new law, POSCO no longer has the first right over the mines and needs to bid in auctions along with other companies. And so for these people, the last few years have seen only despair. And now, with no means of a regular income, the villagers are threatening to forcibly revive betel cultivation once again, their occupation before they handed over their land. But the district administration says that won't be possible.
They have been adequately compensated for the land. They don't have a right to take the land because this is a government land.
Villagers here say the cost of letting their land be acquired has been hard to bear, and they can only hope something positive can be worked out for them soon and prevent them from falling into further despair. With Tazeen Qureshi in Jagat Singhpur district in Odisha, this is Kashish for NDTV.